Hello students, welcome class 2 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class, that means previous online class, I discussed with you TaskPaint. TaskPaint, it is a software, it is a paint or we can draw and paint. Here it is a software, there we can draw and color pictures, okay, and how to start the TaskPaint I discussed previous class first, and then the window I discussed, the window of the TaskPaint screen I discussed, TaskPaint window, and starting a new drawing, how to start a new drawing I discussed. Using the new tool you can open a new drawing and color the drawing, how to color the drawing, applying the magic tool. Using the magic tool you can draw, you can color the picture. You can use any ready-made background and then you can color it. And using the pen tool, how to draw, using the pen tool how to draw and how to erase the part of a picture, and how to erase the part of a picture using the eraser tool. Using the eraser tool, how to erase the part of a picture I discussed. And text tool, using the text tool, how to write, how to type in drawing canvas. In the drawing canvas, how to in our drawing, how to write text, how to type text. Using the text tool we can type text, and here we can use the writing style also, font size, we can change the font style, font size, everything, and we can color it also. And using the stamps tool, using the stamps tool we can apply, we can make our picture very popular. A stamps tool is very popular. Using this stamp tool we can make our drawing very beautiful. Okay, the stamp tool is like a sheet of a rubber stamps. You just click it and choose the stamps and click it on the drawing area. We can see, we can color, we can increase the size and decrease the size of the picture also, stamps. And or a sticker, the stamps tool is like a sheet of a rubber stamps or a stickers which can be used by kids and to enhance the picture or their drawing. And let's check part also completed. Let's check this part also completed. Magic tool, this is the magic tool. Pen tool, this is the pen tool. Stamps tool number 4, magic tool number 1, magic tool number 2, B pen tool is number 1, stamps tool number 4, and eraser tool number 3. This one I discussed in previous class. Today I will discuss how to save your drawing. How to save command. Using the save command you can save the picture. Suppose you have drawn a beautiful picture and if you want to save your picture for future use, then TaskPaint allows us to save a file by using clicking on the save command. Click on the save tool from the toolbox to save the drawing. In the left side there is a toolbox. We all know there are 16 tools are there. From the toolbox you just choose the save tool. Click the save tool and your picture will be saved. Okay, the TaskPaint allows us to save a file by just clicking on the save command, and the save command is also there top of the screen, the quick access toolbar. There is a save command. Using the save command you can save your drawing also, or click on the save tool from the toolbox. From the toolbox you can click on the save tool. Okay, and closing the TaskPaint. After using, you have to close the TaskPaint. How to close the TaskPaint? Click on the quit tool. In the toolbox there is a button, there is a quit, Q-U-I-T. Quit tool is used to exit from to close the TaskPaint we use. Click on the quit tool. You just click on the quit tool. When we click on the quit tool, a box will appear. Click on the yes or no. Let's see. When you quit, suppose you have opened a picture and you want to exit from the, you want to close the TaskPad, and then you just click on the quit from the toolbox. From the toolbox you just click on quit. Here is QUIT, QUIT, quit. You just click on the quit tool, and then when you click, do you really want to quit? One message box will show. Do you want to quit? Then tick yes, I am done, and cross no, take me back. If you want to close, then you just click yes, I have done. And if you wouldn't, if you don't want to close the TaskPad, then cancel, cross it. Okay, click again yes button. If you want to save the file before closing, if you want to save, it will save and then close, and if you won't, then click no. Opening the drawing, then suppose you have saved a drawing, and then next day if you want to open the saved drawing, which one is already exist, that file you can open. Okay, click on the open tool. Here is also open tool is there. Click on the, you have to click on the open tool. Let's see, there is a, look like a book. It is open, OPEN. Open tool you can use to open a file. Select the drawing that you want to open. When you click open, all the drawing will show over here. Which one you want to open, you just click on it and click on the open button. Select the drawing that you want to open. You just select it and click it open, and then that your file will be open. Okay. Now we will solve today only fill in the blanks and true false. Today we will solve only fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, then start now. Chapter number 8, my practice zone. Number 1, fill in. Number 1, fill in. Number A first. You can open a new drawing using the dash tool. You can open a new drawing using the new tool, NEW. You all please write down new tool. Next number B. The next number B. The dash tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. You all know very well, the eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. Same as paint. Eraser tool, ERASER. Eraser tool, ERASER. Eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. We can save our drawing by using the dash tool. We can save our drawing by using the save tool, SAVE, save tool. Using the save tool we can SAVE. Using the save tool we can save our drawing. Next number D. The dash tool is used to open the already created drawing. The open tool is used to open the already created drawing. Which one is already existed, already created, that one we can open. If it is not created, if you try to open, can you open? No. So, open tool is used. Number D. OPEN. 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 Open tool is used to open the already created drawing. Now number 2, true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. The stamp tool is used to create stamps or various and shapes. Yes, stamps tool is used to create stamps of various sizes and shapes. It is true. Number 2A, you just write in the box T. T for true and F for false. Here, next number B. Next number B. The new command is to save a new file. New command is to save a new file. No, it is false. The save command is used to save a new file, not new command. New command can open a new file. Now number C. The eraser tool is used to erase the unwanted part of the drawing. Yes, eraser tool is used to erase unwanted part of the drawing. So number C, true. Number C, true. Next number D. Next number D. The pen tool is used to type the text as a part of the drawing. The pen tool is used to type the text as a part of the drawing. No. Pen tool is used to draw the picture. Okay, not type the text. Text tool is used to type the text. So number D, false. Number D, F. Now please check your answer. Fill in the blanks. Number, fill in the blanks. Number 1A, new. Number B, eraser. Number C, save. Number D, open. Okay, you can open a new drawing using the new tool. Number B, the eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. Number C, we can save our drawing by using the save tool. And number D, the open tool is used to open a already created drawing. Next, true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number A, the stamp tool is used to create stamps of various size and shapes. True. Number B, the new command is to save a new file. False. Number C, the eraser tool is used to erase the unwanted part of the drawing. It is also true. Now number D, the pen tool is used to type the text as part of the drawing. It is false. Text tool is used to type the text as part of the drawing. Okay, for today this much. Next class I will discuss question answer. Okay. Thank you. Bye beta. Bye all of you. Have a nice day. And you all will solve this part in your book.